everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is Monday, which means we have a cosplay tutorial for you. Today's tutorial is all about Darth Maul, and more specifically, how to make his horns. Now this tutorial is not for the silicone kind, which has a lot of extra accessories and steps. This is for the clay kind. And this clay can be found at pretty much any craft store near you. Joann's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, a lot of options. Now you might be thinking that clay is way too heavy to attach to your head, but it is actually not, and these attach great to straight to your skin or to a bald cap. Anyways, let's get started. Let's start with some Sculpey oven-baked clay in the color tan, although I usually prefer ecru for this, but tan will work just fine. Each horn is about one of the little pre-marked blocks of the clay pack, and for the little ones, it's half a block. We start by mushing that bar down into a sphere. From there, we can shape it into our horn shape, and I show you guys the whole process on this because it's a lot easier to show you than to tell you. I like to start with the horn shape and then worry about the base after. Just keep shaping until you get it down exactly how you want. This clay does not dry out, so you can maneuver it all you want without any worry. Once you get the point exactly how you want it, go ahead and flatten the bottom and kind of fan it out a little bit for a natural, gradual horn shape. Also, ignore my fake tan hands. I'm doing my best out here. Two things to keep in mind is that your horn is straight and your bottom is flat. Once you're done sculpting the shape of the horn, we can move on to the lines and details. I like to use any type of flat blade. I have this little clay tool, but an X-Acto knife works exactly the same. Make lots of little lines all around the base of the horn. Once you've completed the base, go ahead and add the sign lines. I like to also add a couple little pokes. I just think it adds to the whole look of the horn. Repeat for the other side and on the front and back. I like to add not as many on the front and back because it's such a tiny space. I don't want to corrupt it too much. You can do a mix of depths here as well, but make sure you're not poking through to the other side. Now time for color. This is my personal favorite part. I like to use chalk, but eyeshadow or any kind of powdery color works great here. Go around the base in black, completely solid, and then follow that up with a red trim. Now it's time to really make those cracks look real. So we're going to take some brown and just powder that in. You can stamp it, brush it, whatever you like. This will just add a lot of depth and effects to these. For the last step, they just need baked, which just follow the directions on your package. I'm baking these for 20 minutes at 275 degrees. After they cool, you should have something that looks like this. Once they're on, they look a little more like this. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!